over the years, we've owned several different campgrounds and we've used several different softwares. And we just recently purchased a property in Gettysburg. We had an opportunity to go ahead and give it one more shot at finding what we thought would be the best fit. So we decided to go with CampLife. We took over a property that did everything by hand. So literally they penciled in all the reservations. This was a 250 site campground. And all of the staff that was there have been there for many years, so they're used to not using computers. So after one full season, by the end of it, really even through the first month, they were already feeling very comfortable. And by the end of the season, they couldn't believe they used to do this by hand. So for me, it was a great thing to be able to see just how well I thought, from my perspective, having used many softwares before, how easy I thought it was to then be able to teach them how to do it and for them to excel at it. So I'd go with CampLife anytime. I'll never get another software for another property. So thank you.